Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the 10th tutorial in this course, and in this tutorial we'll check out the EM and the strong tags, or the emphasize and strong tags in HTML. And as you can see, I have my text editor up here, and I have a file open. It's called tutorial-10.html. On line 1 I have the doc type declaration. On line 2 I have the opening HTML tag. On line number 10 I have the closing HTML tag. Between these two I have the head section and the body section. The head section has a title tag, which has the text, the emphasize and strong tags, and then in the body section I have two paragraphs, and then I have the EM tag as well in the first paragraph, and I have the strong tag in the second paragraph, the opening as well as the closing tags. So the emphasize tag or the EM tag in HTML just causes the text on which it is applied to be in italics, so it just italicizes text, whereas a strong tag just makes text bold. Now if you guys want to know why one would want to use these tags and not the bold, that is the B or the I tag, I don't have an answer to that. Someone thought that these are tags that are important, so they were included in the HTML standard, and they're also very popular, right? And you would see a lot of developers discouraging people to use these tags now because they're deprecated. No one uses them now, but they were popular at one point of time, and that's why you would see them a lot. If you would check out code behind pages of websites on the internet. So this is how the file would look in Google Chrome. The word emphasized in the first paragraph is italicized, and the word strong in the second paragraph is in bold. Right, so I didn't use headings for these, because if I would have used heading for the second paragraph, then the bold effect of the strong tag, that would have been taken care of by the heading tag, and I didn't want that, right? So that's it about the emphasized and the strong tags, and I hope you guys are having fun in the course, and you may subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.